Welcome to our channel. We are Technic Force and we help grow your business online. Please hit the subscribe button to get more updates.
Google update. In today's video, we dive into the latest AI developments from Google. Announced at the Google Cloud Next keynote, highlights include the advanced Gemini 2.5 model, which leads the chatbot arena leaderboard, and Firebase Studio, a new AI-assisted coding platform designed to simplify app development. Additionally, we explore Google Agent Space, an AI protocol enabling secure and collaborative communication between agents, and introduce View 2, Google's new text and image to video model. Join me as we explore these groundbreaking AI tools and their potential revolutionize development and task management. Let's dive in. So, Google just revealed a series of powerful updates in the AI space, and it honestly feels like they're on a roll. So, from smarter language models to coding tools and groundbreaking agent protocols, there's a lot to unpack. So, all of this was unveiled during their keynote at Google Cloud Next, and it's safe to say that they're not slowing down anytime soon. So let's start with Gemini 2.5. If you've been paying attention to Google's AI journey, this model might already be on your radar. So we've had access to the Gemini 2.5 Pro version for a little while now, and the performance is seriously impressive. So it's not just about giving you fast answers, it actually thinks before it responds. So that might sound like a marketing slogan, but it really does showcase reasoning in ways we haven't seen from other models. So Google is clearly proud of it and with good reason. So they're calling it their most intelligent AI yet. And according to the chatbot arena leaderboard, so it currently holds the number one spot. Now, leaderboards like that aren't that perfect. So you'll see models like Llama 4 near the top, and while that's great, it doesn't always mean it's the best for every use cases. So, still, Gemini 2.5 Pro has earned its place as a top tier model. What's even more impressive is its performance on what's called humanity's last exam. So, this is one of the toughest benchmarks in the AI world, so designed to really push models to their limits. So, as you can see, Gemini 2.5 Pro scored 18.8% on this test, and GPT 4.5 scored only 6.4%, and DeepSeek R1 got 8.6%. Even OpenAI's O3 Mini reached just 14%. So yeah, Gemini 2.5 didn't just edge out the competition, it left them in the dust. So that kind of leap shows just how impactful reasoning and task understanding can be in these evaluations. So another major announcement was the launch of Firebase Studio. This is a powerful new tool for developers and creators. If you're familiar with platforms like Cursor, Replit, or Bolt, Firebase Studio feels like a blend of all of them. So it's live right now and it's available for you to check out. Now, what's cool about Firebase Studio is how accessible it is to people with different level skills. So, if you're new to coding, you can use a basic prompt box to describe what you want, and Firebase will try to build it. On the other hand, if you're an experienced developer, you can jump into a full workspace, import your GitHub repos, and start building with Java, Python, Next.js, and more. So we gave it a quick test run and I asked it to build a fun app, something like a secret spy movie plan generator based on any photo you upload. Now we did run into some server issues because the system was clearly getting hammered with traffic, but we managed to get something up and running. So the experience showed just how much Google is leaning into automation. You can launch a project, have Firebase write and modify the code, and even change the visual theme of a website, all through simple instructions. So in our case, we asked it to make the site green and lemon theme. So within seconds, it processed the request, updated the relevant files, and transformed the color scheme. So it didn't just suggest how to do it, it actually went ahead and did it. So that's the difference with this tool. It can run tests, refactor code, generate components, and install packages all by itself. So this isn't just a tool for building static pages. You can ask it to configure full project environments, handle dependencies, and more. So it's especially exciting that Google is already thinking about multimodal functionality. Imagine drawing a rough app design on a paper, snapping a photo of it, and having Firebase Studio turn that into a working web app. So that's the future they're looking at. But possibly the most groundbreaking reveal came with something called Google Agent Space. So this is an entirely new protocol built for AI agents. So not just to work, but to work together. So, in simple terms, it's a system that lets AI agents from different vendors talk to each other, collaborate, and get things done autonomously. So, the demo for Agent Space was wild. So, a user uploaded a job description and asked the system to help fill a staff software engineer role. So, from there, the AI didn't just give advice, it initiated a whole sequence of tasks. So, it searched for available agents that specialize in sourcing candidates, selected the best fit, and then reach out to that agent with the job request. And here's where it gets even cooler. So the agent asks a follow up question about time zone preferences. That's a detail that could have been missed, but the system flagged it, checked in with the user, got the answer, and then kept going. So it's not just following a script, it's thinking and adapting. Once it had the right info, the agent returned with five qualified candidates in less than a minute. So it even offered options for how to present them. So fast forward 2 weeks, the user logs back into agent space and asks for an update. The system remembered the original task and provided a status report. So three candidates passed the interview and were awaiting background checks. When asked to run those checks, the system initiated them immediately. And when it hit a snag with international candidates, it reached out to a different agent that specializes in those cases. So this isn't just next gen AI. It's task management on steroids. The agents not only complete jobs, but they also pause, wait, resume, and report back. So, and the whole system is built around an open protocol, which means developers can start building their own collaborative agents today. Now, Google's agent development kit supports over 50 partners already, names like LangChain, PayPal, and Cohere. The protocol is designed to be flexible, secure, and capable of handling complex, long running tasks. And we're not just talking about replying to a prompt here, we're talking about agents that might work over days or weeks to complete a project. So it also isn't limited to text. In the future, they plan to support audio, video, and other modalities, meaning these agents could eventually interpret speech or video input just as easily as text. To cap things off, Google made another big reveal. So, VO, their new text and image to video model, is now publicly available. It's already being called one of the most advanced in the AI space, and we've seen some impressive early results. Alongside that, they've released a public preview of Gemini Flash 2.0, a lightweight and faster version of Gemini model designed for speed sensitive tasks. All in all, Google kicked things off by showcasing their latest language model upgrades, but then took us on a journey into what's next for developers, businesses, and creators. So, from automated apps building with Firebase Studio to fully autonomous multi agent collaboration with Agent Space, these tools represent real, usable advances in the AI landscape. So, what do you think? Let me know your thoughts below. See you next time.
Level up your business with the power of multi AI. All the best AI models at your fingertips, now and in the future without you having to pay another dime. 50 plus AI models and LLMs unlock unlimited capabilities. Get every AI in one place. Accomplish the simplest tasks like copywriting and image creations, as well as the most complex tasks like computing, analytics, and even coding. From the most popular to highly specialized and hard to get AIs, AI Collective has everything. Craft unique content using any AI you want. Talk to any AI like you talk to people in a chat room. Get your answers from all your favorite AIs and choose the best. Create beautiful and unique images for your marketing. Huge ready-made prompt library. Get AI employees and experts. AI Collective has dozens of ready assistants to work with you. Upload your documents and custom data. Generate, complete, and debug code. Use one AI with another. And a lot more. So what are you waiting for? Get AI Collective now. Just go to getaicollective.in.
If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more content, and ring that notification bell. And if you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Thanks for watching.